Right, the cross-sectional area of a prism is equal to, well, you know that the volume of a prism is a product of the cross-sectional area times the length or the height, however you want to think about it. So, for example, with a cylinder here, it's pi r squared times the height. Now, it doesn't matter what shape the prism is, whether it's a triangular prism, or a cylinder, or a loaf of bread. Whatever the shape is that has a consistent cross-sectional area, you take that front face, and whatever that area is, you multiply it by the length. Take that front face, multiply it by the length, and that gives you the volume. So here we've got the volume, it's 540, and it's equal to mystery cross-sectional area times the length, 27. Is it fairly obvious from that how we work it out? You just do A equals 540 divided by 27. And I believe the answer to that is 20. Just fell over in the kitchen. Right. What are we looking at here? We're looking at the formulae for the volume and surface area of cylinder, cone, and sphere. Just so the camera. Nice. So, volume and surface area of a sphere of radius 15. So what you do is you plug it into the formula here. The radius is 15, the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, which is 15 cubed. Okay, if you're not happy with how to program that in, 4/3, if you press the calculate the fraction button, sometimes you get that, and sometimes you get the big fraction. If you get this, then you type it in as 4, that fraction button 3, and that will give you 4/3. If you get the two squares, one over the top, which is what you sometimes get, you can change the display to do that. Then you press this button first, and then type 4/3. Then I'm going to type, now, hopefully that's going to give me 4/3. Let me just check that. Good, okay. I was just worried that this might do 3 times 1. Okay, so we're going to do 4/3 times pi times 15 cubed. So pi times 15 cubed. Let's close the brackets. We get the answer 14137.16694. That's the volume. Yeah. The surface area is 4 pi r squared. So again, I'll just type this in the calculator so you're happy with this. 4, whoops, I'm going to switch it off. So 4 pi times 15 squared. There is a squared button, but never mind. And we get 2827.433. And that's it, that's all you have to do.